won't be here this April, you won't be here next April. We should hopefully be here by next June or July, I hope.